The Gawler Craton, a 3-billion-year-old geological formation in South Australia, is revealing its mineral secrets. The Geological Survey of South Australia, GSSA, has completed extensive surveys of this ancient and mineral-rich region, which stretches across an area the size of California. According to the GSSA, the Gawler Craton could be a potential gold mine or a source of other valuable resources like nickel, uranium, or rare earth elements. The region is already home to some of South Australia's richest mines, including the Olympic Dam and prominent hill operations. The Gawler Craton has been an area of intense interest for us over the last few years, said Dr. Mark Pawley, a senior geologist at the GSSA. We've been collecting as much data as possible to map the mineral potential of this ancient geological formation. The GSSA has used a variety of techniques to study the Gawler Craton, including identifying elements in rock samples, conducting airborne electromagnetic surveys, and using gravity tracking devices to measure changes in rock density. They have also employed new machine learning programs to stitch together the different datasets. Different datasets can throw crazy ideas out there, Polly explained. You've got to think critically and piece together the geological history to determine where the best mining opportunities might be. The GSSA's findings have been presented in a recent workshop, and the organization is now inviting the world's miners to explore the Gawler Craton's mineral potential. With its vast size and diverse geological features, this ancient craton could be a game-changer for the mining industry in South Australia.
My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm a professional geologist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada, and also the president of Valls Geoconsultant. Geology, geochemistry, structural analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I am sure you will find something useful among my over 400 videos.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.